Right, give the message.
Message to Imran. I am Robert Deere, 25-year member of MCC, batsman and off-break bowler. I've watched you at Lord's with pleasure, both your bowling and your batting. You said when you are Prime Minister of Pakistan that you will transform Pakistan. I wish you good luck because you are the leader who can do it. You have the personality and the determination as you showed when you captained Pakistan and drove them to world champions. With your leadership, the country needs you as leader. So good luck, and I'm sure you will succeed. And I wish you good health because you're the man that can do it for Pakistan.
Well done.